Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Spoiled Brat Gets All Her Friends Arrested for Her Terrible Behavior.
Back up! I'm under arrest?
Yeah.
I'm telling you to back up. You're going to be under arrest.
Today on Uncovered, watch this obnoxious group of friends completely fall apart in seconds after getting kicked out for starting a fight in a restaurant.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Not you.
Excuse me?
She's going to go home and she's going to attack me like that?
What's your idea?
You and
No. You ain't walking away. Get off. Don't.
Stop.
Don't.
No, stop.
Get out of here. Come
What
here.
the fuck, bro?
No. Come here. You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest?
Yes.
Why didn't you do anything?
Because you walked away from me.
You're going too.
Bro, what the f? I didn't do anything. What the f?
The deputies arrest one of the females who started the fight for trying to walk away after police asked her to identify herself. As backup arrives, the situation grows increasingly tense as everyone tries to crowd around the primary officer and the female suspect.
You're under arrest.
That ain't good.
Put your hands.
Back up.
My man, back up. Back up. I'm telling you to back up.
Or what?
I'm telling you to back up. You're going to be placed under arrest. Just take a step back. That's all I'm saying.
He did nothing
You
wrong.
cannot interfere. Back up.
He did nothing
No.
wrong. He did
Back up.
nothing
I'm
wrong.
telling you to back up.
He
Take a step
did.
back.
She got
Take a
attacked.
step back.
She got
Okay.
attacked.
Then we'll settle it. Stop.
Sir, please. I didn't do anything to you. I did not.
I got all
What the hell? Explain the camera. You're hurting me.
You're running your mouth.
Call the camera right now. My grandma's the medical examiner. Call them. Call them.
That liquid courage is a motherfucker. And that gotta be some good coochie if you gonna get arrested for it.
The medical examiner. Call them.
I don't care.
Call them.
I don't care.
Call them. Are you okay tonight?
I'm fine. You okay?
Can I help you?
You were acting nutty.
I didn't do anything. It's not me. It's the people that he's with.
Well,
What do you want me to do?
it's you. You're
Sir,
under
what the
arrest.
hell?
Where's your ID at?
I didn't do anything to you.
They got more drama.
Hey, lock him up.
Sir.
Who cares?
Call my mom. Call, give me my phone.
I'll call your mom.
Give me my phone.
What's your
Yo,
phone
609. Bro, give me my phone, bro. You're not taking my keys.
You're arresting me for what?
Back up.
Bro, this is a violation of amendments. What are you doing?
Back up.
He did nothing wrong. Jasmine, stop.
You have
Please back up.
kids. Move.
What did he do wrong?
I don't know.
She got attacked.
Move.
I was a witness.
Move.
She got pushed over.
Please. Please.
Relax. Let me get your side of the story.
I'll call your mom.
They did whatever they did. They're under arrest. Just sit tight.
No, stop.
My man, step back. I'm going to lock you up. I'm telling you to step back.
Lock me up there.
Don't-
He did nothing wrong.
Step back.
Bro.
It's an officer safety issue. Step back. Step back. I'm telling you to step back.
Don't talk
What?
like that.
My man, you're under arrest, bro.
And we got the third stooge finally arrested. Now this officer is giving him multiple chances to walk away. And he keeps just inserting himself into this equation. If you want to go to jail with them, just say that.
Don't pull away. Don't pull away. You got cuffs in? Don't pull away.
Please.
Cuff him. Here you go, Lance.
Excuse me, sir. You're hurting me.
She about to lose her mind. Everybody getting arrested.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. You're hurting me. Like, I'm not even kidding. You're hurting my wrist.
Stop.
I'm not kidding. My grandma
I'm
is the
gonna
medical
relax
examiner.
when you pull your arm away.
It's not made to be
My grandma is
comfortable.
the medical examiner. You're hurting me, bro. What the f is wrong with you?
I'm just holding your
What's
arm.
wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
I know Bill Kosh. Do you want me to call Bill? Like, I'm not even kidding.
Who the fuck is that?
Move.
What is wrong with you? What the f is wrong with you?
Here, put her in the back of your car.
Hello.
Just pat her down, check her real good.
Check your purse and anything like that.
Step forward.
What an idiot.
Can we get his keys? Because we gotta go home. We gotta go home.
Nobody goes to jail anymore.
He should have thought about that before he kept trying to egg the situation on. The officer gave him multiple opportunities. At this point, he wanted to go to jail with his buddy.
Can we get his keys home now?
Yo, relax. Relax.
I'm not.
I'm just trying to figure out what the
Ever able to get his keys?
He'll give up the keys. I'll get
Can
them.
I go?
No, you can't go over. I'll go ask him, okay?
Can I say something before we go? I was trying to remove my girlfriend from the situation. Okay. She's worried about me. Okay. I'm sorry that I got out of pocket.
No problem. You know what happened with me and her?
It's too late to apologize.
She tried to get the phone and then she stepped on me.
No.
Well, she did.
So from here, grab my arm.
Yeah.
Before I hop in the back seat, grab my arm. Cause I want to make sure you know who my girlfriend is.
Yeah. The one that was talking to you, right?
The
one that was standing right next to you?
The white shirt.
Right. The one that was standing right next to you.
Yeah.
That's the one who she was trying to get the number. You
She
were
was
standing
trying-
over there.
And I
backed up because I was working with this guy.
Okay.
Stepped over. She was pushing
Listen,
on me.
man.
That's why I pushed her.
Do you want to give your keys to your girl? Is that your girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I can go in your pocket.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice to meet you, police officer. Don't
Yeah.
push me. Don't push me. Don't push me.
Listen.
Please get your hands off me. I want her.
Why are you trying to be tough when you're already arrested? Just give it up already. You about to get booked in. You about to ride in the back of that cop car.
Am I comfortable with hurting my hand? He's hurting
Relax.
me.
Relax.
He's hurting my wrist.
Relax. You're not
He's
gonna pull your
hurting
arm
me.
away. Do
I'm
not
not
pull
hurting
away.
you.
You're not hurting
You're
me.
not hurting me.
Do not pull away.
What's wrong with him?
Do not pull away. Can you just make sure she's fine, please? Yeah.
You don't care about that girl.
Is there any way you can loosen the cuffs just a little bit?
Just calm down for 1 second.
I am calm.
Okay. But this whole situation won't
The
happen like
whole
this.
situation came from one.
Ma'am, I get
Please,
it.
please,
Listen.
you go over there.
Listen,
You go over there. I'll talk to him.
Do you want the keys?
You go over there. Yes. I need to go into my babies.
I
don't know. Right now.
Listen, he does not have the keys on him.
So where are his keys?
He was trying to talk to you and ask you.
He didn't talk to me because y'all ripped him up.
Okay, when I tell someone to stand back 10
he
times.
did.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he
keeps
did. He
walking
was
in,
in
he
my
keeps walking in.
arms.
Listen.
Okay, so give me
Okay.
his keys.
Okay.
I go on my kids.
Okay, he doesn't have the keys on him.
So
He's
where are
just-
his keys?
He's trying to ask you guys. if-
Terrell, where are the keys?
He doesn't have them on him. That's
He has to. He drove here.
Okay, do you want to talk to me like a normal person?
Yes,
or I'm
I
just gonna get in my
am.
car and
Hell
drive
no.
away?
I am talking to
Okay.
you normal.
She don't want to talk.
So where are his keys?
Can I finish talking at any
Yes,
point right
go
here?
ahead. I'm sorry.
He doesn't have his keys on him, so he was trying to ask you, did you take him or did any of the friends have the keys?
No, he drove here. He had his keys since we got here at 9 o'clock.
He's not a good decision maker. First he gets himself arrested, then he lost his damn keys. You better run.
He
So
thought
can
it's...
we look down here? We all ripped him up on the sidewalk or something?
Okay, we didn't
Please?
trip him up. What? All right.
Y'all did.
When
two
we
of y'all.
tell him 10 times to stand back, and
And
you
I-
stand back. Okay?
Do you have his
Listen.
keys?
I have the other set of keys.
All right, so can y'all bring me home?
Before you're
Listen,
detained as well as your boyfriend, relax.
Your girlfriend brought us here.
I don't know what happened brought us
She
here.
pushed
All I know is
Erica.
I
You
wasn't
gotta stop.
involved.
You
All
gotta
right,
stop.
can I go home, please? To my babies? I have 3 kids.
Okay.
4, 3, 2.
I get it.
Damn.
I need to go home right now. To my
You can
kids.
leave.
He has to bring because y'all have my man that drove me here. So can I go? When can he get out?
He's gonna get out right away.
What is right
It'll
away?
probably take 45 minutes to process.
So an hour?
Yeah, about an hour. I'll
Tom
give you the
Shepard,
address. I'll
please.
give you everything.
Please get the keys.
She said it's...
He doesn't have
He says he
them.
doesn't have them on him. I patted
I
him
don't know
down.
who has
He-
them.
He thought he had them in his right
Let me
front
check my
pocket.
let me check my purse.
In
I'm
his
sorry.
pockets, okay?
I'm so sorry.
But you gotta understand, when we show up...
All the suspects were arrested for obstructing justice, with the first couple also being arrested for disorderly conduct. If you enjoyed this video,
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. All it takes is one person and everybody just goes stupid. So if this lady gets to tripping, right, y'all would just go jump off the bridge right after? Hell nah. Sometimes you got to know when to pick your battles. That wasn't the battle you had to go to jail for. That was just downright stupid. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.